Acclaimed filmmaker Neeraj Gaiwan's drama Homebound has been shortlisted for the Best International Feature Film category at the 2026 Academy Awards, placing it among the 15 films still in contention for a final nomination. The film had its world premiere earlier this year in the prestigious Uncertain Regard section at the Cannes Film Festival, where it received strong critical acclaim and international attention. Since then, Homebound has continued to build momentum on the global festival circuit, culminating in its inclusion on the Oscar shortlist. Reacting to the development, producer Karan Johar said he was over the moon about the film's journey, describing the Academy recognition as overwhelming and a proud moment for Indian cinema. The film has been produced by Karan Johar and Adar Poonawalla. Homebound will now compete with several internationally acclaimed titles from around the world, including Argentina's Belén, Brazil's The Secret Agent, France's It Was Just an Accident, Germany's Sound of Falling, and Iraq's The President's Cake, among others shortlisted by the Academy. The film features a strong ensemble cast led by Ishan Khattar, Vishal Jethwa, and Janhvi Kapoor, whose performances have been widely praised by critics. The final nominations for the 96th Academy Awards will be announced by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences in the coming months, with Homebound now carrying India's hopes forward on the global stage.